Many people think long pips make the game easier, but this is not true. Only at very low levels can long pips give instant success. Once you reach higher levels, playing with pimples requires real mastery. Long pips have limitations. They are weak in fast rallies. They struggle against no spin. Experienced players can target the middle, force weak blocks and smash float balls. To use long pip effectively, you need footwork, feeling, timing and very good reading of the opponent's spin. And the spin is not random. This is the key point. Long pips follow a clear and consistent pattern. If you attack with top spin and the pimple player chops, you get heavy backspin. If you push and he pushes, you often get a float ball or slide top spin. Once you understand these patterns, the match becomes fair again. There is no magic, only physics. I also understand the frustration of new players. I felt the same in my early days. I remember losing to short pips, medium pips, long pips, anti-spin. At first, everything felt reversed, but when I learned how each material works, I no longer fear them. Today, if I lose to long pips, it is because the opponent is better at the moment, not because I cannot read the spin. This is why long pips should not be banned. The problem is not the rubber, the problem is the lack of knowledge. When you do not understand something, it seems unfair. But when you study it, you realize it is just another style. One more challenge to overcome. This challenge actually makes you stronger. It forces you to read spin better. It forces you to improve placement. It forces you to use smart tactics instead of relying only on power. If you want to beat long pips, you need experience. You need to train against them. You need to understand the ball's behavior. Many players only meet long pips in tournaments, so they panic because it feels unfamiliar. But train with pimple players regularly and suddenly everything becomes clear. Once you understand, the fear disappears. In the end, banning long pip would weaken table tennis, not improve it. We would lose a whole dimension of the sport. The beauty of table tennis is the diversity of styles. Modern Chinese top spin, Japanese speed attack, European loop rally, Korean power counter, chopper defense, penhole pips, side spin specialists. This diversity is what makes table tennis unpredictable and exciting. So my answer is simple. Long pimple rubber should not be banned. Instead, players need better education about how pimples work. If you understand the mechanics, you will stop complaining. If you practice against them, you will stop being afraid. And once you reach this level, you may even enjoy playing against pimples because it forces you to think, adapt, and grow. Long pips do not destroy table tennis. They complete it.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.